Wow. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Hbar. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Today has been an insane day for the crypto markets, especially, these utility projects yet again popping off, and they're popping off quite fast. A lot of these utility projects that have seen a little bit of retracement over the course of the last 2 to 3 days, of course, due to Bitcoin, have, smashed past their yearly high. You're seeing XRP doing that. You're seeing Algorand doing that. You're seeing Hbar doing this. So definitely you could see there's a lot of excitement right now within the crypto space. And looking at Hbar, up 21.7% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 17.8 cents, up 21.6% in USD, also up 21% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. But that's not the most exciting part. When I tell you guys, Hbar has been able to do something quite interesting. When I pull out the visuals, you guys will see that. So looking at the market cap approaching $7 billion, the 24-hour trading volume is much higher than yesterday, currently sitting at 1.4 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the Bitcoin Dominance Index, you guys know the significance of the Bitcoin Dominance Index. We've been talking about this. We've been talking about this quite a bit. And yet again, dominance has not moved at all. Dominance actually went lower, which is giving a lot of coins, including Hbar, more chance to move up, towards the yearly highs. Bitcoin hasn't even hit a yearly high. Bitcoin hasn't even retested its all-time high, and yet we're seeing multiple different projects, including XRP, Algorand, Hbar, popping off to new yearly highs. What does that tell you? What is this really telling you? This is telling you that the dominance pulling down is the major catalyst behind this move. And, we've been talking about, altcoin rally occurring. A lot of analysts within the crypto space projecting the month of December is going to be an altcoin rally. Possibilities of Ethereum passing by, towards a new all-time high. And the institutional inflow tells you everything you need to know in terms of Ethereum as well. Ethereum is gaining a lot of traction. And in relation to that, the dominance is actually going down. So are we about to see a major move for altcoins? So far, it's looking like yes. Look at Algorand. When was the last time Algorand popped off like this? If you watch my Algorand update, you guys know how big of a day this really is for Algo. It has broken out of a resistance we haven't touched for the last 2 years. Speaks for itself. XRP as well has left a lot of people speechless. Hbar has left a lot of people speechless. And if Hbar is able to do what I'm really about to show you in the next few hours, I think we could actually see more upside in the upcoming hours ahead of us. So looking at Bitcoin first and foremost, Bitcoin had an amazing day. It's made its way back above almost $99,000 today, and dominance did not budge at all. So now this is giving me more confirmation than ever that altcoin rally, is history really about to repeat itself? I wouldn't be surprised, because like I said, altcoins are showing us tremendous amounts of gains over the course of the last few hours. And with the correlation with the dominance that we're seeing, it's quite interesting to see what we're looking at. But if you're looking at Hbar, I did not get rid of that yesterday's drawing that I did, because guess what? Hbar has been able to do exactly what we spoke about. So first, what I want you guys to understand is this: Hbar actually ended up reaching a new yearly high. And let me show you guys this. Let's kind of not remove this. Let me just go on the hourly time frame so you could see this for yourself. Hbar went up to the likes of 18.1 cents. Actually, I want to double check if that was a yearly high. 18.1 cents. No, actually, wow. Hbar did not indeed reach a yearly high as of now, but maybe in the next few hours it could do so. I never really saw it on the daily time frame because I had this drawing, but I kind of want to show you guys this drawing first, and then we can kind of get rid of it and really discuss what's happening. But nonetheless, we're retesting some yearly highs that we haven't seen since early this year. And if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, look at this. We drew this yesterday. I said it's extremely important for us to break out of this key resistance and turn this into support. And as of now, we have about 3 hours left until the daily candle closes. And if this daily candle closes, and it's not just a daily candle, it's going to be a weekly candle. If it's able to close within the 78.6 above this key resistance, I think we could start heading up to the likes of that drawing that I did yesterday, around the 22 cents, quite fast. But now let's kind of get rid of this and really understand what we're looking at in terms of, the Hbar's price on the daily time frame. So if you're looking at the Hbar's price on the daily time frame, right at the neckline, you can't make this up anymore. That wick that we saw at the beginning of the year, that exact same wick has come as a little bit of a rejection for Hbar. And of course, we need to realize that is our resistance kind of dating back to the previous cycle as well. So we need to keep that part in mind. But if we're able to close above the 18.1 cents in the next 3 hours, extremely important to do that. If it's able to do that, I think we smash past this key resistance that's going to come in our way and head towards the 61.8 for the first time since April of last year. And we're very close, and I honestly do believe that we could actually see Hbar closing the daily candle, because it's literally sitting at 18 cents. All it needs to do is close above 18.1 cents in the next few hours. If it's able to do that, I do believe the next few hours could be quite interesting for Hbar to start heading to the most, even though we are obviously going to retest the 61.8, but the most key resistance, in my opinion, is right here at the 27.2 cents price point. Because if the Hbar price is able to cross that, I think Hbar could make a move really fast, leaving a lot of people speechless. There's a lot of big moves coming. There's a lot of big things happening for the crypto markets. Obviously, Gary Gensler being fired, not fired, obviously stepping down at the beginning of next year. A lot of ETFs being filed for, and I think these ETFs that are being filed for, we're going to see a huge snowball effect of that. Major institutions like BlackRock could be in play as well to list some of these other assets as well. Do you really think that BlackRock is just looking at Canary Capital, Bitwise, filing for XRP ETFs, or these indexes that were filed for? I think that was just yesterday. Do you think they're just sitting there and just completely ignoring that? Absolutely not. They know what's happening, and they are going to be taking a major share of that pie. And I would not be surprised if BlackRock starts coming in and boom, start filing for ETFs for multiple different assets. But there we are, guys. Hbar is actually officially, reaching a new yearly high. Boom, there we have it. So again, not a surprise, as I've said. We want to close the weekly candle above here, and if it's able to do that, I do believe Hbar is about to show people some major moves. There we have it. It's official right now as we're recording this update. Hbar has been able to get past its new yearly high. Wow, there we have it. We're actually looking at it on the live as of now, recording this update. Hbar has officially broken out into a new yearly high. There we have it, guys. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you want to look at it from the bigger perspective, from November 4th, the prices are up about 300% for Hbar. So anyone that's going to come out and say Hbar hasn't done anything, I really hope you guys have some argument to make about that. But let me know down below what you guys think. Thank you for all your support. You guys are absolutely amazing. Each and every one of you guys that stick around, show you so much love. Love you all. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these daily updates that I bring you guys. And let me know your personal predictions in regards to Hbar. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.